Hi all, it's Jonathan Pollard from Style Factory here, the go-to site for business app reviews. In this video, I'm answering that much asked question, is Canva free? The short answer is yes. A totally free plan for Canva is available. But there's another and arguably better way that Canva can be used for free. And in this video, I'm going to tell you all about this. But first, let's talk about the regular way to use Canva for free, and that's via its appropriately named Canva Free plan. Canva Free is probably the most fully featured free app we've encountered while testing software at Style Factory. It lets you create everything from presentations to videos to social media ads, and it's extremely easy to use. With Canva Free, you get access to a lot of the core functionality of the paid-for product, along with thousands of free templates, graphics and photos, and 5 GB of cloud storage. But by using this plan, there are several important things you'll miss out on. You won't get full access to Canva's vast range of stock imagery, videos and audio, customizable templates, the option to manage multiple brands, background removal features, and customer support. And you won't be able to export your work into as many formats as you might like either. But there is a way to access a version of Canva that gives you access to all these premium features and for a considerable amount of time too. That's where the special trial of the Canva Pro plan comes in. Canva Pro is a premium version of Canva and it unlocks the vast majority of Canva's functionality. It gives you over 100 million photos, videos and graphics to use in your designs, sophisticated AI features for creating content, magic resize and background removal features, and crucially, the option to export your work into professional formats. And if you know where to find one, you can get your hands on a 30-day fully functional trial of the Canva Pro plan. This is more than enough time to get a sense of whether the platform is right for you and perhaps more importantly, get a serious quantity of design work done for free. But how do you access this free trial? 1. Click the special Style Factory trial link. Because we're an affiliate partner of Canva, we can share a special link with our community that gives them direct and immediate access to the 30-day trial of Canva Pro. I've put this in the video description. Just click on this to start the sign-up process. A quick word of warning though. The extended trial of Canva Pro may only be available for a limited period, so to avoid disappointment, we recommend using this link soon. 2. Click the Start Your Free Pro Trial button. When you arrive on the trial sign-up page, click the Start Your Free Pro Trial button. You'll then be prompted to sign up to Canva using your Google, Facebook or email account. Just pick the option that works best for you. 3. Choose a monthly or yearly plan. You'll then be prompted to choose a monthly or yearly plan. Now, don't worry about committing to something you can't get out of here. You can cancel your Canva trial before a paid-for subscription starts, and in fact Canva will notify you when your trial is expiring. 4. Enter your card details. It's then a case of entering your credit card or PayPal details. This may seem a bit off-putting, but remember that payment will only be taken if you don't cancel your trial before your 30-day trial is over. 5. Enjoy 30 days of free access to Canva Pro. Once you've entered your card details, you'll have complete access to all of Canva Pro's features. It's now time to make the most of all these unlocked premium features. And that's it. You now know how to use Canva for free. Before I go, I'd like to remind you that you'll find links to both free versions of Canva in the video description. If you found this video helpful and want more tips on Canva and other apps that will help you grow your business, please make sure you subscribe to our channel. And finally, if you have any questions about using Canva for free, do leave them in the comments. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.